ang negosyo ay isang laro ng bahay. Kailangan ipanalo para kumita at may pangpuhunan. To serve the people and its economy. To provide what you need and what you want. To serve the millennials. Kaya pagpinag sama ang laro at negosyo. Siguradong panalog super saya ang amo. Moxie ang laro. At Moxie ang negosyo. Ninong TV proudly presents another action of learning the businesses of the king of Philippine business. With your Denver Ninong Castro as Henry C. Ang Aggie Matt Ni Tatong. Discovering the SM's Podium Mall and the connection of SM Supermalls. With Mobile Legends in Business and CS are simulcast on Ninong TV Facebook and YouTube July 15, 2023. Henry C. the King of Philippine Business. Only here at Ninong TV, your educational vlog show. And entertainment.
Good afternoon to all of you, and what's up? And this is your Denver Ninong Castro. You're watching live from Facebook and YouTube subscribers. And for today's video, very interested because we will discover another action of learning the businesses of the king of Philippine business, Mr. Henry C. Together with your Denver Ninong Castro as portraying and paying tribute as Henry C. And the title of our vlog for today is Ang Agimat ni Tatang. Alright. So this is something interesting. Ano nga ba ang agimat ni Tatang? Diba? So this is a connection of learning SM's business partner with Mobile Legends. O ba? Yun ang agimat ng tatang nyo. Mobile Legends. Pero syempre, itong Mobile Legends na is a game. But not only a game, because this is also being a business partner and business use with the millennials and the gamers for today's generation. And special shout out din sa aking kapatid na si Aya na mahilig sa ganitong laro na Mobile Legends. We will discover here is about the Mobile Legends, but that's not all. Because we will discover here the Podium Mall. At balita ko yung Podium Mall na yan ay isa sa pinakamaganda luxury, no, at mamahaling mall na matatagpuan sa Ortigas. And I discover of that, ang ganda ng mall na yan. Hindi pa ako nakapunta dyan, nakita ko lang sa picture. That kind of mall is parang may spaceship sa tuktok. Oh, ang ganda. Tapos, yung loob, puting-puti. Pati yung elevator, umiilaw. Puting-puti, para ka nasa langit. Ang ganda talaga. Grabe. Eh, naisip ko, sino kayo may-ari nito? Chinese kaya, Amerikano, Filipino, etc. Eh, hindi ko alam eh. The Podium Mall, na isa sa topic dito sa vlog natin. No? At dahil dyan, I guess ang may-ari ata ay si Lucio Tan.
Buwen naman. Bakit ano?
Sorry.
Gano'n.
Break up eh.
Oh, mali. So, ibig sabihin, ang may-ari ng Podium Mall,
A few moments later.
NBC,
Are you the one?
my goodness, hindi natin ko alam. At sa mga nakaalam na, congratulations. Pero sa mga kagaya natin, na ngayon pa lang ito natuklasan for the first time. Kasi yung binanggit ko, di ba, 100 plus yung mga businesses niya doon sa last year vlog ko. Wow, naka 1 year na po tayo. Congrats. Doon sa Henry C versus Genco Conway, I state the businesses of Mr. Henry C na 100 plus, 50 plus, plus 50 plus branches, yung iba pa. Bukod sa mall, department store, hypermarket, mga resort, mga condo. Aba, meron pa pala siyang isang mall. At ito ang Podium Mall. Grabe, ibang klase. Oh yeah, because the theme or yung tema ng ating vlog ng Ang Agimat ni Tatang, discovering the SM's Podium Mall and the connection of SM Supermalls with Mobile Legends in Business and CSR. Ay siya, napakatindi talaga ng ating Philippine business.
Marami ka pang bigas na kakainin.
Si Henry silang pala may active neto. Grabe. Uwi na tayo. Ay, ako po magbablog po pala tayo in learning Henry C's businesses. Diba? Para magbigay tayo ng education sa mga manonood at sa mga estudyante sa kanilang back to school o kaya kung meron pa silang last 1 week of school bago mag-vacation. So, dito na po natin pag-aaralan ang tungkol sa The Podium na pag-aari pala ni Tito Henry nyo. O, sa mga nagpo-podium yan, hindi yun kung sino may-ari. Eto na, si Tito Henry. Diba? Ang mag-iisang king of Philippine business talaga. So, ano nga bang meron sa podium na yan? It's a mixed-use development located along ADB Avenue in the Ortigas Center. Sabi ko na nga ba, Ortigas. A major business and commercial developer, Keppel Land Incorporated and BDO Unibank. So, ang may-ari pala nito or yung nakakasiwa sa podium, si Keppel Land at si BDO. So, this is a tag team partnership. Kasi yung may-ari ng BDO. Diba? Si Tito Henry. So, ito po ay part din ng properties ng Henry C natin. Dapat pala naisama ko to sa Henry C na RJ pa kasi ang discussion natin dun is the Tower Malls. Ngayon ko lang ito nakita eh. Ngayon nung natin na-discover sa ating research ito. Anyway, I will give you the floor for the podium in learning and discovering Henry C's businesses. Check it out.
From the very start, I knew I had the drive and determination to make something of myself. From your Henry C., giving you the action of learning the businesses to serve the people and its economy, and for handling your business management.
Okay, thank you for watching. You just discover about Podium. Oy, punta kayo sa Podium, ha. Talagang napakaganda dyan. Isa sa mga properties ni Mr. Henry C. Talagang, I imagine, talagang napakalakas at napakasipag ni Mr. Henry C. Diba? Naisip ko lang, 100 plus na yung businesses niya. Nakakapagod talaga yun. Pero tignan nyo naman. Dahil sa kanyang sipag at tiyaga, naisip niya tayo, hinabaan niya ang kanyang pasensya energy just to serve the people. Diba? And he created that Podium Mall, yung luxury mall na yan. Hindi lang po para kumita siya, hindi lang po para mag-yaman-yamanin ang peg natin dyan. Diba? But anyway, the Podium Mall is still a business and still the place of job. Diba? Mga trabaho. What Henry C. said is to fight crisis. That's why he keep on building malls and properties para yung mga taong walang trabaho, magkaroon ng trabaho. Yung mga taong naghanap ng kanilang pangangailangan, doon nila mahanap. And although, this kind of property or this kind of mall is something luxury talaga. Nakita nyo naman ang mga benta Rolex, LA, mga Calvin Klein, etc. na nakakabili lang po yung mga tumama sa loko o yung mga sana all na takot yan. But anyway, he created that not only for a pay. No? He created that for business, for service. Siyempre, yun naman ang goal ni Mr. Henry to help people and to make Philippines as world class, to make Philippines as wonderful. Diba? Love the Philippines. It's more fun in the Philippines. So, pag meron tayong mga bisita na foreigner, meron tayong mga bisita sa ibang bansa, makikita nila, wow, Philippines of Ortigas City is so beautiful because of that Podium Mall. O, di ba? O, dahil sa creation ni Henry C., natulungan niya tayo or nakatulong siya na ma-promote ang ating bansang Pilipinas to become beautiful country. Diba? Yun naman ang hindi naman po para lang magpasikat, magpainggit, no? That was created for business and to serve the people. Diba? Ang ganda-ganda nga sa loob, diba? So, sana nga makapunta ako dyan. Podium Mall. Gagawa tayo ng part 2 dito. Alright. So, anyway, sa mga nagtatanong, hindi po ako si David ng FPGs. Batang kaya ako. Kasing aura ko kasi sa anyway, I'm not David of that, but I'm David C. Giving you the action. Yes, action of business. Diba? May matutunan ang ating mga kabataan, ang ating mga researcher. Business action of Henry C. What I did here. David C. talaga. Okay, anyway, pupunta naman tayo sa next lesson natin about Mobile Legends. So, what will be the title or the meaning rather of Mobile Legends? Bang Bang is a multiplayer online battle arena or MOBA game designed for mobile phones. The game is free to play and is only monetized through in-game purchases like characters and skins. Each player can control a selectable character called a hero with unique abilities and traits. So that is Mobile Legends. Kaya marami pong mga kabataan ngayon gusto maglaro. So talagang gigil dito because this is also a fun game that you can discover after you go to work, go to school, or any variation. And I just want to shout out my new subscriber of YouTube that I discovered from my sister's classmate. Ang pangalan niya ay si Kyle. So Kyle, thank you for subscribing to the TV, and watching and supporting. So So, to us is spreading the good quality of educational, vlog show, entertainment, to give information, and to give happiness to our people. So, thank you sa iyo, Kyle, for connecting. And future, in the future, after this week or next month, we will see ang gagawin niya sa ating Ninong TV. Talagang K-pop na K-pop ang datingan nito. So, narinig lang tayo ng mga marites, mga sisters natin dyan. Bubuksan na nilang Ninong TV. At anyway, kung yan tayo makakatulong para sa market natin, then go! Okay. Mobile Legends is the next episode. At alam ko, Kyle, you also play this one at favorite mo rin to. You better watch out and you better subscribe. Or you better support this vlog kasi alam ko favorite mo ito. Ha? And to all of the kids of generation. So, Mobile Legends, check it out. Okay, thank you for watching. You just discovered about Mobile Legends. That is also being part of business and a part of entertainment to give you for the people. So, for the next episode is SM Super Malls and Mobile Legends connection. How they reunited as one and how they serve the people through business, entertainment, and for sustaining the people. Especially ang mga bida dito, mga bata. Dahil sila naman po ang unang nakatuklas dito. At sila ang unang nakadiscover ng ganito. Okay, we will check it out. The tandem, in other words, the tandem of SM Super Malls and Mobile Legends and how they serve the people after discovering the podium. We will check it out. Thank you for watching. Now, we just discover the Mobile Legends and the SM Superbowl Tandem, and of course, the podium. So, ito talaga yung agimat ni Tata to give you the, the business, the services, to serve the people, and etc. Now, it's time for CSR. What Mobile Legends can do to help the people and to sustain not only games. Of course, SM's Podium Mall. What is the CSR that they can give to our country to support the people as we can bless? Let's bless others and let's help others so that we can share our special things that came from our God. Diba? So we will discover that the podiums and the Mobile Legends CSR. Alright? Check it out. Okay, thank you for watching, and God bless all of you. We just discovered the CSR of Podium Mall of Henry C and the Mobile Legends CSR of helping people. And that's also connected with SM Super Malls of helping people, bless to others, as this is also said, right, in chapter 5 of Matthew, that we need to give food and water for those who needs, and we need to help the people, of course. Because that is the number one duty that we need to do in this planet, to do the good things, to fix the broken, right? And to praise. So, maraming salamat sa mga nanood, at ito po muli ang ating title, ang agimat ni Tatang, discovering the SM's Podium Mall and the connection of SM Super Malls with Mobile Legends in business and CSR. Like, comment, and share, and you may subscribe, and you may buy this video blog for only 150 pesos and 80 pesos for screen record from first slide to the 10th slide. So, just tell me how to buy or how to accommodate on this program. See you, and maraming salamat po, and goodbye. This is your Neo.